Alright, mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. You get my point. Record an empty background for some few seconds. Then walk in and do as if you are searching for something. Understand? Then at some point, you lift up your head and then maintain that position. You can decide to stretch out your hand just like this so that the magic can happen. Then you still maintain that position as your head is cut off by this time. You get my point? So you wait a while, then you shake your head just like this, as if you've regained your head back. Then when you are done with all this, you can now save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. You get my point? Now on Capcut, click on new project and import the video you just recorded. You get my point? So we recorded an empty background. So from here, you are going to tap on the video layer. And then we want to split the empty background. So when you click on split, go and look for overlay. Click on overlay, look at overlay here. Now drag the overlaid video to the beginning of the main video. Tap on the empty background, go and look for freeze. So now tap on the frozen part, towards the ending part of the frozen layer. Drag it to get to the end of the video. So when you are done with that, you can now come back. Let's start the work. So guys, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to this channel, make sure you share this video, you leave a comment in the comment section. So this is where I want the video to start, so I had to do a little adjustment at the beginning. You get my point? So now what you are going to do right here is for you to, from this particular point where the character is about to lift his head, this particular point here, this is where you will have to tap on the layer. Now click on split, then go towards the ending part of the layer where the character is regaining his head back to his neck. From that point, just do a little setting right there, and then you will have to split it. Alright, so from here we will have to decide on how we want our video to end. So I want my own to end from here. You get my point? So you tap on the layer and then you tap on split, then you delete the ending part of the video. It depends on you. You can decide to allow your own to end anyhow you want it to be. You get my point? So after splitting and deleting the ending part, you make sure the end aligns together. You get my point? So you come back to this particular layer you splitted. Now tap on it. Then go and look for mask. Where is mask? Alright, look at mask. Click on mask. Then click on circle. Click on invert. Understand? So now you move this circle towards the head because we don't want the head to show. You get my point? Please follow it step by step. Move it towards the head and try to adjust the circle. Use these arrows here by the circle to adjust it. So you add keyframe at the beginning of that layer. Move the video a bit and also move the mask icon alongside with where the head is, so it will not reveal the head. You know why you should do this? Let me tell you. The head wasn't steady. Understand? The head was still moving. So the body was still moving alongside with the head. So for you to have this head not showing, you need to move this, add keyframe, then you move the video a bit, then you move the mask circle, the mask icon, so that it will still cover the head. I don't know if you get my point. So that's how you are going to do till you get to the end of that splitted layer. Only that splitted layer. You get my point? Alright guys, so if you're coming across my videos for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Comment if you have any issue. I'll be there to assist you 100%. Make sure you share this video on social media platforms. You get my point? Turn on that bell notification icon. Turn on that bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop another update. Alright guys, for business inquiries, you can get my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. You get my point? So when you are done with adding the keyframe, what you need to do next is for you to go towards that part where the head is cut off. Understand? So now you click on this navigation button and then click on add overlay, then bring the video again. Just bring the video again to Capcut. So what you do from this part where the character is lifting up his head, that's where you are going to tap on the video layer, then you will click on split and delete the beginning of this third layer. So now tap on this third layer. Now go and look for freeze. Go and look for freeze. Now click on freeze. After clicking on freeze, now move over to this other part, tap on it and delete. Look for delete and delete that shit, bro. So now you finally deleted that shit. What you need to do right here is to tap on that layer. Now you can expand it to fit the screen. You get my point? So as it is right now, you will have to go and look for mask. Where is mask? Now see mask, click on mask, click on circle. You get my point? So now adjust that circle. We need the head. Understand? So we need this head to make that circle to capture just the head. You get my point? So some people might be confused here. This other part that's showing here is the other layer, the second layer that is showing. You get my point? So don't be confused when you get to this point. So make sure you follow it step by step. Try to adjust the circle to get just the head, because we need the head. I believe you get my point. Guys, comment, like this video. Just like this video first. So now you can move this particular use your finger to move it to anywhere. You get my point? But let's go and look for remove BG. Go to remove BG, click on remove BG. Now click on auto removal. Yes, I believe everyone now have access to Capcut Pro features, so you can use anything anyhow you want to use it. So after removing the background, you can now place the head on your neck. So you see the way it is. Hence, just try your best to make sure you place it on your neck, something like this. Now drag the third layer to align with the splitted second layer, just like what you're seeing on your screen now. So that this is where you will have to make sure the head aligns very well. You get my point? So when you are done with the head alignment, the next thing for you to do right here is go towards the ending part of this third layer. You get my point? Go towards it and then drag it. Just drag it. Keep dragging. Keep dragging. Keep dragging. Keep dragging. So drag it to this particular point where the character regains his head. So you can stop dragging from here. So it will be as if the head just get back to the owner. Something like what you see on your screen. So now we want to bring the first effect. So for you to achieve that, you will have to tap on this navigation button right here. So when you click on the navigation button, click on add overlay and bring the effect here. So as you can see, it's a green screen effect. So you go to remove BG. Now click on chroma key. Move this circle to where it shows green. Understand? So you can play around here. You can decide to increase the intensity to 50, increase the shadow. You can touch the fader edge, you can touch the cleanup edge. All these other ones are in the pro version. You get my point? So I have access to them. You get my point? And I believe everyone should have access to this version by this time, by now. You get my point? So when you are done with all this, you can see the green color is no more. You click on OK. Let's get back to work. So now we want this effect to chop off the head. So tap on the effect layer. Now drag the effect. Just move it one side towards where you want the effect to come from. Just don't allow it show on the screen. You get my point? So the next thing for you to do is to add keyframe at the beginning of the effect, and then you move the effect in. So you move the video a bit, then you keep on moving the effect in till it gets to the character's head, and make sure when it gets to the character's head, the effect should be opening its mouth. You get my point? So that's how you are gonna do till you just roll off the effect out of the screen. So that's just it. I believe you get my point. Make sure you like this video, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop another amazing video editing tutorials like this. You get my point? Am I too fast? Ha 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 ha. Alright, let's go. So when you are done keyframing that particular layer, now you come over to this third layer. Now click on it, click on keyframe at the beginning of the third layer. So you move the video a bit. You get my point? Now you drag the head, just drag the head towards the mouth of this effect. So that's how you are going to be doing. You move the video a bit, then you drag the head towards the mouth of this effect till you guys, two of you, will go off the screen. So when you are done with all of these, you can now save this video to your gallery and then still come back to Capcut. Now on Capcut, click on new project, import the video you just saved. You get my point? So here is the video right here. So what we are going to do right here is to add the B effect. So now click on overlay. Now click on add overlay. Then you bring the effect right here. You get my point? So now here is the effect. So at this point you tap on the effect layer, then rush to remove BG. Click on remove BG, click on chroma key. So you move the circle to where it shows green, and you can play around here with the intensity, the shadow, the fader edge, and the clean up edge, just like you did before. You get my point? When you are done, you click on OK. Let's get back to work. So this is how it's gonna be. So from here, so I want to turn off this music in the background, so I will tap on the effects layer. Now click on volume and then reduce it to 0. You get my point? So you can come back to the video. So now what you have to do, just at the beginning of the effect layer, just tap on it, tap on the beginning of the effect layer, then go and look for freeze. Tap on it, bro. Go and look for freeze, man. So where is freeze? So guys, like and share this video. Click on freeze. Now click on the beginning of the frozen layer and then drag the B towards your hand. That's perfect. So now you click on animations here. You get my point? So what you will do right here is to tap on the fading, this fading icon right here. Just click on it and then click on OK. Let's get back. So now this is how the B is going to appear. You get my point? Now you adjust the frozen layer so the B will not be frozen for too long. You get my point? Something like what you see me do here on screen. So after adjusting the frozen layer, you go over to the other layer and drag it to join with the frozen layer. So something like this. So at this point, tap on this other layer, add keyframe at the beginning of this layer. So you move the video a bit, then you move the B. You get my point? Just move the B, then you also move the video a bit. You move the B until the B leaves the screen. That's how you're going to do. And when you are moving the video a bit and moving the B, keyframe will be added automatically. You get my point? So that's how you're going to do till the B will leave the screen. So when you are done with that, you click on split on this effect layer. You get my point? Now go and look for transform. Where is transform? Alright, see transform. Click on transform. Now you click on mirror. This mirror right here. Click on mirror. Then let's go back. So when you click on mirror, add keyframe at the beginning of this splitted layer. Then you move the effect inside. Try moving the effect inside. When you try to move it, you move the video a bit, keyframe will be added automatically. You get my point? So you move the video a bit, you move the effect towards the head. You get my point? Keyframe will be added automatically. So that's how you're going to do till you move the effect out of the screen. You get my point? So guys, the next thing you should do is for you to bring back the head to the neck. You get my point? So all you need is for you to follow the step on how you took the head off. So follow that step and then bring it back. I didn't want to make this video too long like this, but we are already getting to 14 minutes. So let me know if you are able to bring it back, and if you are posting the video on YouTube, please tag me. Let me come and watch that video, so I will be sure you are able to do it. So without wasting much time, see you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.